After the transcription is complete, click Summary. Once you enter the summary page, you can view the summary generated by the system. If you need the content in a different language, you can also enable the translation language settings first. Next, click Visual Summary to start creating a visual summary. On the Visual Summary page, you can choose the template you want to use. The following templates are currently available: Key Takeaway Card, Infographic, Mind Map, Flowchart, Decision Tree, Timeline, Storyboard, 4-panel comic. After selecting a template, the system will generate a corresponding visual summary based on the summary content. Once it is complete, you can export the visual summary file directly, making it easy to share or save as a meeting record. With Vurbo Visual Summary, you can quickly turn meeting or conversation content into a clear and easy-to-read visual post-meeting summary.